Okay, boys and girls, so for homework this week, we are doing Prairie Neighbors. So what you're going to do today, since it's Monday, we're going to read and annotate. So as we read through this, we're going to go ahead and do that. And then you'll have some division. So find the quotient of the following problems. And then those are the only two things that you have to worry about for homework. So let's get started with Prairie Neighbors. It's hard to believe that we've been here in Kansas over a year already. This autumn will be our second harvest, and Pa's amazed at how fertile the soil is. It gave us a nice crop of wheat this year. I wish we had a mill near us because grinding the corn and wheat is such a chore. The land here is so flat that our little stream doesn't run fast enough to drive a mill wheel. I'll bet that eventually we'll figure out an easier way to make flour. Maybe we can make a windmill. We've certainly got enough wind. The people around here have big plans for the settlement. They say that all kinds of possibilities will open up if the railroads ever reach this far. Mr. Armstrong says that if he could get cloth from the east, he'd take up tailoring again. If we could send our crops to be sold in the cities, we'd have money to build good roads. We're doing a lot of building as it is. We're putting up a church and a schoolhouse. 6 new families have moved into the settlement since we got here. Pa takes charge at each new house raising, and my friends show the girls the social square dance steps. Last week, all settlers went to the Hendersons for a husking bee. Each family tried to beat the others by husking the corn. If we keep on making improvements, more families will come, and soon we'll have enough people to make a town. People are already thinking of names for it. I like the name Harmony because in spite of a few tiffs, we all get along. Okay, so don't forget, read and annotate. And then here we have some division where you need to show your work. Okay, so you have plenty of room here to go ahead and show your work. So remember, when we are dividing, you can do the box method. I feel like it's a little bit easier. So dividing it into 3 parts. So you have 9 ones, 8 hundreds, and 7 thousands. Okay, don't forget to make your little cheat sheet over here if you need to. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. And another one just in case. 3 times 4 equals 12. Okay, so let's do this one. So what is closest? I always tell my students what is closest to 7 without going over. So obviously it's 3 times 2 is 6. So we're going to say 3 times 2 equals 6. 7 take away 1 is 6. I'm sorry, 7 take away 6 is 1. So don't forget to put this one there. That's 2. This 1 is going to go in front of the 8. So now we have to make our cheat sheet a little bit bigger to 18. So 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 6 equals 18. So 3 times 6 equals 18. Don't forget to put that 6 straight up. So 18 minus 18 is 0. And move that over here. So 9 goes into 3. So that's 3 times 3 equals 9. That's 0. Don't forget to put that 3 here. So your answer should be, the quotient is 263. Okay, if you were able to follow that, that's great. And as always, you can go ahead and put your cheat sheets over here on this side if you would like to. Okay, and that is it for Monday's homework, boys and girls.